Good morning, student. I'm Neena Yadu from Shikra Vidyalaya. I'm your social science teacher. In social science, you have two books. Part 1 consists of two subjects, history and civics, and part 2 consists only one subject, geography. So, you can also see my introductory video that I made for class 6, in which I explain the meaning of social science. So today I am going to start with geography. Geography is made up of two words, geo and graphy. Geo means earth and its features, and graphy means description or story. So geography means the description or story of earth and its features, and the study of geography includes land, ocean, climate, soil, forest, wildlife, and their relationship with people and the activities of people. So children, let's start your first lesson, environment. What is environment? Environment can be explained in many ways, but the simplest answer is the anything and everything around us is called environment. So children, we can understand it with the example. Suppose you are sitting in your living room. What do you see around you? A sofa, chair, table, TV, photos, maybe an air conditioner or cooler. All these things are made immediate in environment for your living room. So we can say all these things are the component of environment. So children, we can understand this with the help of this picture. This picture shows the different components of environment. So we can divide the component of environment into three categories, and the first one is natural things, both biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living things such as plant and animal. Abiotic means non-living things such as land, air and water, light, etc. Now the second component of environment is human-made things such as building, bridge, road, monument and industries, etc. And the third one is human being themselves and the activities of human, such as political activities, economical activities and social activities. So children, natural things, human made things and human beings are the component of environment. So children, the question is our environment changing? And was the environment of 500 years ago same as it is today? Okay, the answer is yes, our environment is changing and it was not the same as it is today. So what is the reason of this change? The answer is that the human beings modify the natural things to fulfill their needs. So that changed the environment. So we can say the activities of human beings change the environment. For example, you can say we have made cars and trucks that emit smoke that pollute our environment. So they affect our environment, they change our environment. So we can say our activities, all the things affect our environment. Now children, I repeat the components of environment for you. Here there is three categories of component of environment. First one is natural things, both biotic and abiotic components, and second is human-made things such as building, bridge, road, monuments and industries, etc. And third one is human beings themselves and the activities of human beings. Children, here some questions for you. What is environment? What are the components of environment? What do you mean by biotic and abiotic components? Give some example. If you understand all my points in this video, you are able to answer these questions and read your lessons and try to answer these questions. In my next video, I will teach you the ecosystem. Thank you so much.